Hi, Trey's mom, Cynthia. Okay, so I have a little board, and this I'm going to be using for the fairy nightlight that we're going to be doing in a couple weeks. So you'll want to get a cradle board if you're going to be doing the fairy nightlight thing. Get cradle board. You'll need Apoxy Sculpt. You'll need any color Epoxy Sculpt. One set of fairy lights with replaceable batteries, and then your special resin. And we'll build a fairy light. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It is very easy to work with as far as the mixing. It's an epoxy. It's Apoxy Sculpt. Get this turned on. Anyway. And so with the replaceable batteries, you have a nice piece of art that is also like a nightlight. And it doesn't have to be a fairy forest. Whatever floats your boat, you know?